Hey Spice lovers, today I'm making my Triple Threat Brixton burger. This one is killer. I hope you're ready for a heart attack. Let's go.
Okay, let's go. First of all, we're going to start off by frying some homemade patties. These were 50% brisket and 50% chuck, double minced by my local butcher. Once you've flipped on one side, get some cheese on and get that melting. While you're waiting, you can get your buns ready. Lightly toasted brioche, some of my burger sauce. The recipe for that will follow. Then let's get some onion and some gherkin, and let's go back to those patties to check out what that cheese is doing. Slap that on the bun, and then next up we've got to add some bacon. A nice dollop of sauerkraut comes next, and then we're going to make it spicy with some of my Brixton sauce. Slap the lid on, and that is good to go. Absolutely delicious. Now I must say, this is possibly the best burger that I've ever made, and it definitely beats nearly every single one of my local takeaways for taste. You guys gotta try this one.